Welcome to the world where we teach you authentic English in an easy and fun way. Today, we embark on an exciting journey through the complexities of the English language, shedding light on commonly confused words that often challenge even the most seasoned learners. Understanding these subtleties not only enhances your communication skills, but also ensures clarity and prevents embarrassing misunderstandings. So let's dive right in. Before we start, however, we kindly ask you to click on the subscribe button so you never miss out on our valuable content and our channel can continue growing. Your support means the world to us. Thank you. Live, live, life. So let's start with live. This is a versatile word with multiple meanings. As a verb, it denotes the act of residing or existing in a particular place. For example, I live in New York City. On the other hand, live is an adjective and it describes something happening or performed in real time. Picture this. We watched a live concert broadcast from London. Lastly, life. This is a noun and it encompasses the essence of existence and the state of being alive. For instance, she embraced the simple joys of life. What do you know about affect versus effect? We can say that affect is a verb and it signifies influence or change, while effect is a noun and it represents the results or a consequence. For instance, the weather affects my mood, but its effect on the garden is profound. Next, we have then versus than. Then refers to a point in time, while than is used for comparisons. Imagine this. I'll finish my work and then we can celebrate with more cake than we need. Moving on to accept and accept. Accept is a verb and it means to receive or to agree, while accept is a preposition or a conjunction and it indicates exclusion. Consider this. I'll accept any challenge except the impossible ones. Another pair to watch out for is lose versus loose. Lose or to lose is a verb meaning to misplace something, while loose is an adjective and it describes something which is not firmly attached or not tight-fitting. Picture this. I don't want to lose my keys because my pockets are loose. What about principle versus principle? Principle refers to a fundamental truth, a comprehensive and fundamental law, doctrine, or assumption, while principle is used as a noun and it denotes a person, of authority, or it can also be used as an adjective, and it means something important or influential. For example, he stands by his principles, but the school principal makes the rules. How about there, and there? Actually, this is something that even native speakers confuse. The first there, so T-H-E-I-R, is a possessive adjective, and it indicates that something belongs to them, the third person plural. There is an adverb, and it indicates a place which is not close to the speaker, here and there. And lastly, there is a contraction of they are. Here is a fun sentence. They're going to their favorite restaurant because it's right there. Moving forward, here is another complex pair. Your versus your. Your is again a possessive adjective, and it indicates that something belongs to you. While your is a contraction of you are. For instance, you're going to love using your new phone. Now let's explore farther versus further. Farther and further have been used more or less interchangeably, but farther is taking over the meaning of distance, physical distance, while further has taken on the meaning of addition, denoting a greater degree or extent. Look at this example. Imagine running farther than ever before to explore further. Next, we have stationary versus stationary. Now this is a classic. Stationary with an A means something which is not moving, while stationary with an E refers to writing materials in general. Picture this. Before sitting down to use the stationery at his desk, Nigel went for a walk so he could handle being stationary for a long time. Lastly, we have compliment versus compliment. Compliment with an I is a synonym of praise, and it can be used as a verb or as a noun, as an expression of esteem, respect, affection, or admiration. While compliment with an E completes or enhances something, and it also can be used both as a verb or as a noun. For example, she complimented his cooking, saying it was a perfect compliment to the evening. And there you have it. Hope we have cleared up any doubts. By mastering these commonly confused words, you'll elevate your language skills and communicate with confidence. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we hope you learned something useful. Keep the language adventure alive and stay tuned for more linguistic inspiration. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, and we hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.